Her nose is hooked, her coffin is booked. Getting old is no fun even for a witch. But spa treatments can work wonders, and the witch is young and beautiful again. Yorick, I'm throwing a girl party today. I'm waiting for my friends. Boo! You scared me. Come in. This is for you. The best parts of my burial. Thanks. Come in. I'll make something useful out of it. Bam! That's much better. My poor hair! The air in the sarcophagus is so dry. Don't worry, Mummy, or you'll fall apart like last time. Here's some first aid for you. This snail restores your hair and nourishes your roots. Done! Do you like the result? Awesome! Thank you, cute snail! This wand is completely useless. Why make a big deal out of it? Someone's here. Let me see. Wrong door. Ah, that's a baby werewolf. Come in, honey. I got rumpled. Don't worry. Yeah, you're kinda bushy, but I can fix it. Garden scissors always work. Just a little bit more. And you're done. What a cutie. Come, puppy. Just kidding. Let's go. Beauty rituals are so relaxing. Who's here? Ivy! Witch, what's wrong with your face? Were you fighting bats? No, these are under-eye patches. It's a great product. I love them. Cut under-eye patches to fit a Batwing template. Paint an empty box black. Attach a label. Put the wing patches in the box. Anything but bats, but I really want to be beautiful. I know what you are gonna like. Stop snoring. This is for you. A poisonous mushroom. Yummy! Nah, look, this is blush. Make hollows in a powder compact. Put red eyeshadow in them. Sprinkle it with rubbing alcohol and press it down. Glue the powder compact to an empty lipstick tube. Wrap the lipstick in light clay. Shape a mushroom stem. Make a mushroom cap. Add notches on the edges using a needle. Attach the cap to the powder compact. Make it look like a poisonous mushroom. Color with white and red acrylic paint. Don't eat it. Put it on your face. Got it. I have a brush too. There you go. I like it. What do you think? Not bad, but something's missing. I'm gonna take the patches off. Ta-da! After just a little bit of magic, my makeup is done. Whoa, that's amazing! I want makeup like that too. And this is a special fly trap, just for you, honey. Whoa! Put your head inside. Are you sure? Absolutely. Fine. Wait a little. What do you have here? It smells like magic. Are you ready? Wow, nice! I want to try it too. Ah! Let me go! Oh no, it doesn't work on werewolves. Hang on, we'll help you. Take it Hey! Ouch! I can't see anything! Stop for a second. I'll take the fly trap off. There you go! Ah! What's wrong with my face? This slime is so disgusting! Ew! Where's the bathroom? I wonder what else this fly trap can do. Let's try doing a manicure.
Wow!
Coat a press-on nail with red gel nail polish. Dry it in a UV lamp. Apply green to the edges. Shape a fly trap pattern with a toothpick. Dry it. Make 10 identical press-on nails. Wow, amazing! A manicure like this has always been my dream. The fly trap did all the work. Girls, these fashion magazines are totally useless. There are no outfits scary enough for me. Come on, let me see. You're right, there's nothing. Werewolf, don't! Stop it! Don't worry, I have something special for you. Look, a mummy mask. You are so sweet. I'm ready. Carefully put the mask on and wait for 20 minutes. Take a few layers of gauze. Cut out a face mask using a template. Sew the edges. Soak the gauze with a store-bought face mask. Put in a Ziploc bag. Attach a label with a mummy picture. Time to take the mask off. So, did it work? Awesome! You look a few thousand years younger. Oh, it's my pet! Come to mama, little scorpion! Don't run away anymore! I was stressed out! Witch, help me do some nice eyeliner! Cut off the end of a toy scorpion tail with a heated knife. Cut the brush off some eyeliner and glue it to the tail. Nasty! I'll try, but I don't really like the idea. I hate scorpions! Werewolf, your fur is falling out! Careful! Oh, I was sleeping so well. Oh no, what have I done? I wiped off all my makeup! No! How can we stop this tantrum? Girls, don't worry. I know what to do. Magical Ivy, help me. I'll turn the moon into eyeshadow. Put cool shades of eyeshadow in an empty palette. Add rubbing alcohol. Press it down. Attach light clay to the cap. Shape a moon. Press in craters with a modeling tool. Color it with acrylic paint. Add stars on the cap. This should work! Girls, hurry up! Watch! This is eyeshadow! And here's a brush! Mummy, you're gonna have a nice new makeup look! The werewolf will nail it! Just a little bit more! Done! Do you like it? It's amazing! Oh, thank you, girls! You are the best! Who wants another refreshing potion? I can't drink it from this glass. What about my glass? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Ivy, hang on. Bibbidi, bobbidi, boo. I can do it. Ivy leaf, turn into a glass. Fine. Here, enjoy. Thanks. Witch, you have something in your teeth. Here, look. I made a mirror. Roll out polymer clay. Cut out a leaf using a template. Blend it and bake following clay package instructions. Coat with acrylic paint. Add veins. Attach a round mirror to the bottom. Whoa, thanks! But how? The magic of nature. Cheers! Yay! Oh, this is just the thing! I can finally drink! I'm gonna prank the girls! Let's have fun! My eye! Werewolf, it's just a joke! Calm down! Look what I have! Make bones from air-dry clay. Let them dry for 24 hours. Coat the bones with acrylic paint and put in a box. Cut bones out of paper and label the box hair rollers. Ew, that's not food! We are gonna curl your hair right now, like this. It's kinda weird. That's it! We created a great hairstyle! Thanks! Oh, Werewolf, leave it! You'll never change! Time to have fun! Let's go! Girls, this is so much fun! Ah! Monsters! Why did they run away? Whatever, we can have fun on our own! Yay! Did you like our beauty secrets for monsters? Then comment below what you like the most. Bat eye patches, bone hair rollers, mushroom blush, or a scorpion eyeliner? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss hilarious new videos from Troom.